Oh, you have made this. Oh, here you go. That's the way to do it.
Oh my god. Hello everyone, it is a new week and we have a special guest. Today we are going to do the utility room. We have been working on this for a long time, and even you said that you were frustrated watching me paint half a room and then go to the pub, so apologies for that. But today we are going to tackle the woodwork. All of the architraves and skirting boards are crap, and we're going to have to take these architraves off and put new skirting boards and architraves on. So let's clear out the room. Alright, so this is what we're dealing with. We're not going to build the door for this today. We might do the architrave if we get to it. But then we've got skirting board. This is the architrave that we're wanting to get rid of because it's so skinny. But we've got a little bit of skirting board in here behind the washing machine, and it's chunky, so it won't fit behind these guys. So doing that, and then on this door, you can see that, we're missing this one, so I've got to get rid of it too.
So what you're saying is cut the sort of cut around the top of it. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, just do a slice. Because then as we do bash it up, hopefully we'll have something to hold on to. Because annoyingly, we should have had this taken off really before we did it. I've got another one actually, I'll do that as well.
Do you know what? I wouldn't worry, Megan. We'll be done in a second.
Yeah, okay. Nice, well done. Raining stuff as well.
So then,
whoa! That was satisfying. Yay! Nice.
Yeah.
This room is full of crap. This is what we've been dealing with at the dumping ground. So I should have probably tied this up before you got here, but I didn't. We need to change the blade on the saw because I think that's what's been causing me so much jip and made me not want to do any more of it.
Right, so if you focus on the saw,
Yeah.
I can move some shit.
Cool. Okay. So we changed the blade. That was a bit of a faff, but we got there in the end. So we have a brand new blade on, and the teeth are closer together than the last one. So hopefully we have nice clean cuts. Let's see. Can you get through?
I'm all right. Eyes are good.
We're going to measure this up against the door frame so that we don't measure it wrong.
We'll just put the mark where it wants to be, not above it, and then we can cut higher up.
Sweet! Let's see if it fits.
Look at that. Even goes against the wall, so it's just at the top there, it's a bit out.
Sweet,
But
okay.
that's another little lump I can just take off there.
Yeah.
Like right now. Right, so that's flat. I mean, once it's, well, it's as good as it's going to be, isn't it? So. That's good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Then what we'll do is, if we measure a bit that's just a bit longer again, cut one end, that 145 degrees, then once we've cut that one,
We can see.
measure this one. So we'll pin both of them in
Yeah.
first.
So then, do you want me to hold it and you drill in? Yeah.
Okay, hold the bottom. You hold the bottom.
Yeah.
Your beauty.
We love to see it. Gosh, better. Wow. Okay. We did it, guys. So we've done all of this, all of this, all of this, all of this, up here and down here. What were you doing in the hole? You can speak.
I can speak. What do you mean what we're doing? You have to fill around the edge of the hole and put bits of wood in and
Yeah,
And all
so
that to tidy it up to allow us to put the door on later.
we put on, Dad put on these pieces of wood so we can put a door on there if we want to. Not now. I think I'll probably get one custom made.
Yep.
And then put the architrave around it,
Yep.
which actually, I'm very proud of that. So that's that all done. Should we go cross off on the list?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool. Let's go, let's go. All right, so we have done the utility, skirting board and architrave,
So I'm trying to find it.
which manifold door we haven't got there,
No,
not utility boundary,
not gas pipe.
gas
cover.
pipe cover, windowsill. We didn't do something that was pointless, did we? Here, right.
Right.
Oh, I thought
Utility.
we'd just done a whole job that wasn't on the list. So skirting, architrave, not saying woodwork, replace back door. Yeah, so skirting board and architrave.
Marvellous, marvellous, marvellous. So what I'd like to do is just cross it off.
You tick it and grot it off.
So basically, architrave, tick.
Woohoo!
Utility skirting, tick.
Yes! And now you need to choose some stickers.
Oh, nice.
So you're welcome to choose any sticker you like.
Oh. Okay, I mean they're all so lovely, like My Little Pony and well, let's have these kids stickers.
Yeah.
If I can open.
Right, you do one, I'll do the other. I'm going to do a spaceman.
You do a spaceman. As in one of those down the bottom.
Yeah, down the bottom. Hey! Nice.
Job, job.
And I might do this. Rocket.
Hey,
And then we've got a boot.
You got blue. We can blue. We can blue.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, ding the bell, comment, whatever. And we'll see you next week. Goodbye!
Bye.